my dear students, welcome back to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss most expected 3 marks questions for second PU Physics. So that helps you to score well in quarterly test. So here the 4 chapters, and let us begin with the first chapter. Please note down and practice all these questions. So here write 3 basic properties of charge. Charge is additive in nature, charge is quantized, charge is conserved. And properties of electric field lines, you can write any 3 properties like electric field line starts from positive charge, ends on negative charge, no two electric field lines intersect with each other, and tangential drawn to the electric field line shows the direction of electric field. Crowded the field line, stronger will be the electric field. Like this, any 3 properties you can write and derive an expression for torque on a dipole, electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. You should draw the diagram of dipole placed in electric field. So here parallel line shows a direction of set of uniform electric field, and go through that and state and explain Coulomb's law and hence define 1 coulomb. That is asked for 3 marks. Let us go through the second chapter. Here I have listed out most expected questions like derive the relation between electric field and electric potential. So this is a relation using equipotential surfaces. We are arriving at this relation. And potential energy of system of 2 charges in the absence of electric field. So that means this equation we need to arrive. And in the presence of electric field is also equal importance. Okay, which I have not mentioned because most of the time if I go through the previous year question paper, this question asked frequently. Okay. And any 3 factors on which capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends. So the equation for it is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, and based on this you can also expect like questions in MCQs. And here capacitance, when 2 capacitors are connected in series or parallel. Okay, so that means in parallel C1 plus C2, and series it is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So that is equivalent capacitance when combination of capacitors are connected in series and parallel. Along with this, you can also expect some numerical questions. And if in current electricity, again so many questions are there. I have listed a few, and please do practice these questions like arrive at J is equal to sigma E, that is current density in terms of electrical conductivity, or it is also called as vector form of Ohm's law. One of the very important, most expected question. Another one is limitation of Ohm's law. Any 3 limitations of Ohm's law. It may be asked for 2 marks. You should write 2 points, 3 marks, 3 points. Derive drift velocity in terms of relaxation time. Or explain the terms, mention and explain the terms for 2 marks, or derive the relation for 3 marks. Derive current in terms of drift velocity for 3 marks. And derive the expression for current passing through the cell when cell is connected to external resistance. So that is one of the important questions. And mention the expression for power loss and explain the terms used. Also expected question in current electricity. And briefly describe Oersted experiment. You need to write 3 points. And derive the expression for magnetic force on current carrying wire placed in uniform magnetic field. What are the nature of trajectory of charged particle moving in a magnetic field? If the angle is 0 degree, it is a linear motion. Straight line is a path, and 90 degree circular path. Other than 0 and 90 degree, or in between 0 and 90 degree, it's helical path. State and explain Biot-Savart's law. It's one of the very important question. And derive based on this is asked for 5 marks. So like this, I have listed a few questions for 3 marks. Please do practice these questions and don't just depend on these questions. Along with this, you have to go through textbooks or your class workbook. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful. Please do like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And all the very best for coming quarterly tests. See you next video. Thanks for watching.